Okay. Next. Okay. Creation is over, exporting is over. Now we would like to import our product to our local system. To import our local system, GIT clone of your repo URL. Clone is nothing but a duplicate product of our GitHub repository. Means it will give entire product to your end users. That means there is no centralized data and there is no networks, there is no interruptions. We can change everything under our home systems. See example, git clone and your URL. Okay. In that there are 3 objects, 3 are downloaded into your repository. Okay. This is one of the way we can export and import our projects from GitHub. And we have more commands like git add to add other files, and we can also see status of our git with status and comments from to our every comment, and we can also see list of files we have commented, and we can also remove from the repository git rm and file name, and we can see all the changes of the files like git comment -a. Next, it is -v to see the difference of the versions. One user entered some changes to the code and exported. Sometimes some days over and another user committed to the another version. So to see all the histories with the version, we can see git comment -v. And another thing is git will provide log folder into your product to maintain the log information based on the versions. You can also see the log information states. States is nothing but changes made to you with a versions. And also a log file contains so much data. You can also see that data as a pagination wise. -v is given to us pagination option. You can create a new branch. Master is a default branch. You can also create a new branch by typing git branch and branch name to your repository, and you can push original to the master or anything else as you like. You are created a branch. After creating branches, exporting, you can also remove that branch from the repository through fetch origin. You can get that product back. What are the existing branches? By your point of view, you can see git branches, list of all branches of you. Okay, you would like to see all the branches of all the users. You can see git branch -a. These are the common commands. Then finally we can see why git, why not svn. Earlier days all our users are using svn. We don't know git, but nowadays it comes. Git is very popular and fast accessing and saving of every product to the users. It is securable. Coming to the differences, security reason. Coming to svn, svn is a centralized storage. So centralized storage means when risk occurs to the centralized product, we lose entire project. Coming to the git, it will decentralize it, because it will give full autonomous copy to entire repository to the end users. So no need of risk. Every risk we can overcome it. So security wise, git is very popular. And speed. I already said every operations like smaller operations like diff, comment, everything will be done at local side. No need of network connections and no need of any interruptions to our local product. So it is very fast accessing to the product, because of we are getting the local working directory entire GitHub product. Next, smaller space requirement. It is the main reason we are going to GIT, because nowadays space is very cheap, but even though we have a flexibility, while you are using GIT, we need only 420 MB, whereas 12 GB, there is a difference, long difference, because GIT is storing two products for a single repository. One is full product for a working directory, and another one is .svn folder. It is also an entire project. So we are maintaining waste of another project into our folders. So coming to the space, GIT is very useful. And keys, the main role GIT is coming to faster is keys. Every comment, every branches, every users will store only with keys. That's why we have to create one SSH key from our system. So with the key only we can get the history, we can go for the versions. That's why it is one of the version control system, GIT. That's it. Queries. RSA is nothing but a public key. We can export from any user without having any, means there are two plans. One is free plan and one is premium plan. So public key is nothing but everyone can get the clone of that product, but that it will not support. Only premium users can support that.